Lesson 2. We learn parts of computer in Lesson 1. We continue from Lesson 1 to Lesson 2. Parts of computer. Keyboard. The keyboard is the oldest and the most commonly used input device. Monitor. The most commonly used output device is computer screen. Mouse. This is also a popular input device that forms an essential part of the computer system. System unit. A system unit is the part of a computer that houses the primary devices that perform operations and produce results for complex calculations. It includes the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and other components. Computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. It performs various tasks based on the instruction given by humans. In this lesson 2, we are going to learn about data. Example, to calculate the average marks of a student, what we need? We need data. What type of data we need? We need data like name of the student, subject marks, and number of subject done. These are called data. We collect the data to get student average marks. What is data? Data is raw facts and figures. It can be text, numbers, pictures, or symbols. Data can be anything like personal details about students at a class, salary details of an employee in a company, statistics collected from scientific researchers. Basic function of a computer. Basic function of a computer is input, process, output. Input, data and instruction feed into the computer. Process, converting data or the comparisons and calculations made on data. Output, results from the process data. Store the results for later retrieval. Information. What is information? Information is processed data. Data is not organized. Information is organized. Information is processed data. We input data, process, output, give the information. The basic function of a computer system is input, process, output. For example, we feed the data 25 plus 25. We input the data equal, then it will process and give output. The answer is 50. Then we feed data and it process, give the output answer is information 50. This is the basic function of a computer. Input, process, output. Data, process, information. Calculate the average mark of a student. Input, process, output. This is the basic function of a computer system. To calculate the average marks of a student, read the subject marks and the number of subjects done in the exams. That is input. Then process, calculate the average. Total marks, number of subjects done in the exams. Then we have to divide it by total marks, number of subjects. Then output, produce the answer, student average. For example, English 80, Maths 75, ICT 100, Science 85. What you have to do, we have to calculate the subject marks. And 340, we have to divide it by number of subjects, 4. Average 85. Answer is 85. Then this is the basic function of a computer system: input, process, output. Then what we input? Subject marks and number of subjects done at the exams. Then process, we have to add the all subject marks divided by number of the subject, and produce answer is output 85. Example 2, preparing a pay slips of an employee. Input, process, output. Employee number, employee name, number of hours work. That's input. Process, to find the total salary of the employee, multiply the rate for an hour with the number of hours worked. Output, the month, employee name, employee number, number of hours worked, the rate for an hour, total salary for the month. These are the things printed on salary pay slips. For example, input employee number 106, employee name John, number of hours work 200 hours per month. Pay for hour $100. Then process $100 multiplied by 200 hours. Output February, the month February, employee name John, employee number 106, number of hours work 200 hours, the rate for an hour $100, total salary for the month $20,000.